So students, today's our topic is concentration term, and in concentration term we will do numericals here or multiple choice question here based on molarity, molality, mole fraction, normality, ppm. So let us start with question number 1. 25 ml of 3 molar HNO3 are mixed with 75 ml of 4 molar HNO3. If the volume are additive, the molarity of final mixture would be. Here we are mixing two acids, two same acid. So when mixing two acid, this is acid 1, M1V1. This one is acid 2, M2V2. The resulting solution becomes M and volume V1 plus V2. M1V1 is molarity of first solution, that is 3. Volume is 25 ml. Keep it as a ml. This volume is 75 ml and this molarity is 4 molar. So the formula of mixing two acid, two solution, two bases is M1V1 plus M2V2 is equal to MV1 plus V2. Now we have to find the molarity of resulting solution, molarity of final mixture. 25 into 3, that is 75, or 75 into 4 is 300, is equal to M, molarity of resulting solution, and volume is 75 plus 25, that is equal to 100 ml. Now the resulting molarity will be 375 divided by 100, that will be the resulting molarity of the solution, that is equal to 3.75 molar. Correct option is C. So while mixing two acid, two bases, two solution, we have to follow the formula M1V1 plus M2V2 is equal to MV1 plus V2. The amount of anhydrous Na2CO3 sodium carbonate present in 250 ml of 0.5 molar solution. We are discussing about concentration term, and molarity is a concentration term. Now what is the formula of molarity? Molarity is mole per liter, moles of solute per liter of solution. Moles of solute and volume in liter. Mole is weight divided by molecular weight, and volume, we have to put volume in liter. So we have given the molarity. Molarity is 0.25. We have to find the weight of Na2CO3. And what is the molecular weight of Na2CO3? Sodium has atomic mass of 23. 23 into 2, that is 46. Carbon has mass of 12. Oxygen has mass of 16. 16 3 ja 48. That is 106. Now put 106 on the place of molecular weight. We have to put volume in liter, or here volume is in ml. 1 cc is equal to 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml, and 1 liter is 1000 ml. Now the volume is 250 upon 1000. ये 1 and ये 4. 0.25 weight divided by molecular weight into 1 and 4. Divide it by 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 6 ja 24. 4 5 ja 20. And multiply this here. 0.25 into 26.5. On multiplying this, divide it by 100, 25 by 100, 4, and 4, 6 ja 24, carry 2, 26, फिर 6.6, 24, 20, हाँ 6.6 gram. So correct option is D, 6.6 gram. We just have to write the formula. One term is unknown and other has given find molecular weight by using this. By knowing atomic weight, you can add atomic weight to form molecular weight. Learn elements having atomic number 1 to 10. You should have learned hydrogen to calcium at least. Next question. This question is based on dilution of acid. Dilute 1 liter 1 molar H2SO4 solution by 5 liter water. So this is our solution 1. Its molarity M1 is 1 molar and its volume is 1 liter. The solution is diluted by 5 liter. This means 5 liter of water is added in it and now the volume becomes 6 liter. Diluted by 5 liter. The volume becomes 6 liter. What is the molarity of the final solution? While diluting an acid and base, we will write the formula M1V1 is equal to M2V2. M1V1 is equal to M2V2. M1V1, the multiple of molarity and volume in liter is mole. We are adding water here. The moles of this solution, this H2SO4 will not change. Mole here will be equal to mole here. We are doing that initial mole is equal to final mole. So M1V1 is equal to M2V2. M1 is 1 molar, volume is 1 liter. We have to find M2 and volume becomes 6 liter. Now the molarity, final molarity will be 1 by 6. 1 by 6 will be the final molarity. But we have to find normality. Now what is normality? Normality is molarity into valency factor. And what is valency factor? Number of H positive ion given by an acid is valency factor. So normality is molarity into valency factor. H2SO4 has valency factor of 2 because it can give 2 hydrogen ion. So normality, molarity is 1 by 6 and valency factor is 2. The normality of H2SO4 solution is 1 by 3, that is 0.33. Correct option is D. Next MCQ. 9.8 gram H2SO4 is present in 2 liter of a solution. Find molarity of the solution. Formula of molarity is mole per liter. Mole is weight divided by molecular weight and volume in liter. Weight of H2SO4 9.8, molecular weight of H2SO4 98, H2SO4 2 plus 32, 16 4 ja 64, that is equal to 98. Volume in 2 liter. 2 liter. Divide this 0.1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 20. ये 1, ये 20, ये 0.000 and 5. 0.05. The molarity is 0.05. What will be the molality? Molality is moles of solute per kg of solvent of a solution having 18 gram glucose. Molality is moles of solute per kg of solvent. So moles of solute is weight of solute, 18 gram of glucose. Glucose has molecular weight of 180. So mole is weight divided by molecular weight, 18 divided by 180. 500 gram of water. Mass of solvent in kg. So 500, then 500 is divided by 1000. 18 upon 180, that is equal to 0.1, and this will be 1 by 2 multiplied to 0.2 molal, small m. Correct option is C. Write the formula of that concentration term. What volume of 0.8 molar solution contains 0.1 mole of solute? Molarity. Molarity is mole divided by volume in liter. We have given molarity and mole. Value of molarity is 0.8. Mole is 0.1. Volume in liter. So, volume in liter will be 1 by 8 and volume in ml is 1 by 8 into 1000. 2 4 ja 8, 2 500, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 125 ml. Correct option is B, 125 ml. Concentrated H2SO4 has density of 1.98 and is 98%. This percent is 98% weight by weight H2SO4. This means 98 gram of H2SO4 and 2 gram of water. This is concentrated H2SO4. 98% weight by weight H2SO4. 98 gram H2SO4 in and 2 gram of water, so that the solution is around 100 gram. We can write it 98 by 100. 98 gram H2SO4 and 98 gram H2SO4 plus 2 gram water. So the resulting solution will become 100 gram. When this type of question comes, when percentage and density is given, we have to learn a simple formula of molarity. When percentage and density is given, molarity is percentage into density into 10 divided by molecular weight. Now put the values in this formula. Molarity percentage is 98%. That should be weight by weight, not weight by volume. Density is 1.98 into 10 divided by molecular weight of H2SO4. Molecular weight of H2SO4 is 98. This will be 19.8 molar. But 19.8 molar is not the answer, because we have to find normality here, and normality is molarity into valency factor. Here molarity is 19.8 and valency factor of H2SO4 is 2. That is equal to 39.6 normal. With 63 gram of oxalic acid, we have given the molecular weight of oxalic acid. How many liter of N by 10 solution? Now what is N by 10? This means 1 by 10 normal. Normality is equal to molarity into valency factor. Normality is 1 by 10. Molarity is mole per liter. Mole is weight divided by molecular weight. 63 by 126. Weight divided by molecular weight. Or volume. We have to find the volume. Volume in liter. And the valency factor of oxalic acid. Yes. Oxalic acid, crystalline oxalic acid has formula COOH single bond COOH dot 2H2O. Now oxalic acid can give 2 hydrogen ion. The valency factor of oxalic acid will be 2. Put this valency factor here, 2. 63 2 times. This 2 comes in denominator, cancelled by valency factor. Volume in liter, that is equal to 10 liter. So correct option is 10 liter. Just write the formula, the expanded formula with weight, molecular weight, and put the values. The molarity of solution of Na2CO3 having 10.6 gram per 100 ml. This is a way to express concentration. Now we have to find molarity, and we have given 10.6 gram per 500 ml. Molarity is mole per liter. 10.6, this is weight. The molecular weight is 106. 10.6 divided by 106. So weight divided by molecular weight, and we have to write volume in liter, 500 by 1000. Now this will become mole per liter, and this is called molarity. 10.6 upon 106, that is equal to 0.1. 500 by 1000, 1 by 2. And this will become 0.2 molar or mole per liter. Just convert gram per ml to mole per liter. Divide 10.6 by molecular weight of Na2CO3, 10.6 gram, and molecular weight is gram per mole. So 10.6 divided by 106, the mole is 0.1. And volume in liter is 1 by 2. So final answer will be 0.2 molar. The volume of water to be added to 100 centimeter cube of 0.5 normal. To get deci normal means 0.1 normal. This is N2. Now N1 is 0.5 normal. V1 is 100 ml. Now we have to find V2. N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. N1 is 0.5. V1 is 100 ml. N2 is 0.1. And we have to find V2. The V2 is 500 ml or centimeter cube. But this is not the answer. Why? The volume of water to be added. Initial volume was 100. And how much volume is to be added? The final volume is 500. Initial is 100. This means the V final, the volume of water added is 500 minus 100, that is equal to 400 ml or centimeter cube. Correct option is A. Next question. This much molecule of urea. Find mole first. Mole is weight divided by molecular weight. Weight is not given here. Volume divided by 22.4. Volume is not given here. And number of molecule divided by Na, 6 into 10 to the power 23. Yes, number of molecule is given here. So find mole by using this formula. Molecule is 6.02 into 10 to the power 20 divided by 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. The number of mole will be 10 to the power minus 3. 23 10 to the power minus 3. This will become equal to 0.001 mole. So moles of urea present in 100 ml is 0.01. Now we have to find molarity. Molarity is mole 0.001 divided by volume in liter 100 ml. So 100 divided by 1000, multiply this 10, 0.001 into 10, so that it becomes 0.01 molar. Correct option is B. The weight of, this is oxalic acid, crystalline oxalic acid. The weight of oxalic acid required to prepare 500 ml of point normal solution. Now the concentration term is normality. The solution is 0.2 normal and normality is molarity into valency factor. Molarity is mole per liter. Mole is weight divided by molecular weight, volume in liter, and valency factor of oxalic acid is 2 because it can give 2 hydrogen ion. So valency factor is 2. 0.2 weight, we have to find the weight. Molecular weight is 126. Volume in liter will be 500 divided by 1000 and valency factor is 2. Now solve this. 500, this is 1 by 2 and this 2 is cancelled by 2. 0.1 weight divided by molecular weight 126, 1 into 2 and 2, 63. The weight is equal to 6.3 gram. The correct option is D. Just write the formula of normality, the expanded formula of normality, where weight and molecular weight is given. In a solution of 7.8 gram of benzene, benzene is C6H6 having molecular weight of 78 gram per mole and 46 gram of toluene. Toluene is homologous of benzene. So its molecular weight will be 92 gram per mole. The mole fraction of benzene. Now what is mole fraction? Suppose we have a solute having moles Nb and we have solvent of moles Na. On mixing solute and solvent, we will get the solution having moles of both A and B. Now the mole fraction of B will be Nb divided by Na plus Nb. Mole fraction is moles of B divided by total moles. Now we have to find the mole fraction of benzene. We should find moles of benzene first. That is, moles of benzene is 7.8 divided by 78, that is equal to 0.1. Wahi moles of toluene is 46 divided by 92. 46 divided by 92, this is 0, this is becomes equal to 1 by 2 and 0.5. Now mole fraction of benzene will be moles of benzene 0.1 and moles of both A and B. 0.5 plus 0.1, that becomes 0.6. Mole fraction of benzene is 1 by 6. The mole fraction of toluene will be 5 by 6 because mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B, mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B is equal to 1. The molarity of pure water is, take 1 kg water 1 kg water is equal to 1 liter water. Water has molecular weight of 18 gram per mole. So, molarity is mole divided by volume in liter, and mole is weight divided by molecular weight. We are assuming 1 kg water. So, weight will be 1000 and molecular weight will be 18, and volume of 1 kg water is 1 liter. So, 1000 divided by 18, this will become 55.5 molar. The molarity of pure water is 55.5. Option A is correct.